In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform into a beast in Bloodborne. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To transform into a beast, you need the Beast's Embrace rune. This rune can be acquired on the Old Hunters DLC. So if you have this DLC, you will be able to acquire this rune by defeating a specific boss, and after you acquire it, you can use it whenever you wish to transform into the ghastly beast. So I'm going to give you general instructions on how to get this. This is going to be dropped by a boss called Lawrence. To fight Lawrence, you need to acquire his skull and bring it back to the first area of the DLC, so he is an optional boss. This boss room is initially accessible early on to retrieve the eye pendant. Once you get the eye pendant from this room, you will be able to proceed forward, fight the first boss of the DLC, and after a while, you will find yourself at this altar where you initially place the eye pendant key item. However, if you go back to this altar where you inserted the eye pendant, now there's going to be Lawrence's skull in here. If you grab Lawrence's skull and you return to the original arena where you acquired the eye pendant key item, you will be able to activate him. So you will now be able to fight Lawrence as a boss. So to keep it simple, after you acquire the eye pendant and you insert it on this table in this altar, you proceed a little bit more and you go back to this eye pendant altar, you can find Lawrence's skull. With Lawrence's skull, by returning to the area where you started, you will be able to fight Lawrence. So his dead body is going to reanimate, there will be a cutscene, after which the fight begins. If you defeat him, you will be given Beast's Embrace, which allows you to transform into a beast in Bloodborne. I hope I was able to help you on how to transform into a beast in Bloodborne. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.